Hey everyone, welcome back to my show. My name is Crib Drip, and today we're going to talk about the Bitcoin market and what's going on and everything about it. So, guys, I'm pretty sure you guys been looking at Bitcoin and it looks like it's dropping, and you guys are probably scratching your heads, what is going on? So, we're just going to dive right into it and see, what's going on and how we can prepare for our next move. So, let's go, guys. Okay, so going into coin market cap, so just going off, obviously I see a red, over 5%, and these are 5 to 8% of highs, not just like small back when it was low. It's like percent of the high, so that 5% is actually a lot, a big drop. So it looks like there's a lot of consolidation happening, and it looks like it's just going to continue to happen. As expected, guys, from my last video, I did say the market is going to probably uptrend from here and then probably consolidate its way up. So it does look like that is what's going on. And although it is grinding sideways, so going into the total market cap, it's at 363 billion, and it looks like it's consolidating between 380 billion and 360 billion. So just going over the chart right here. Oh, come on, you can load. All right, so I'm just gonna zoom in onto the chart here and see what the support and resistances are, and as mentioned, it is 380 and 360 billion, and so the high, the short-term high was 465, 470, but the thing is, it looks like it's trapped, from the 380, roughly the 382 to the 360 mark, and I think it's just going to continue to grind sideways like this. As I said before, I don't think Bitcoin is going to go below 8K. I mean, if we go into the technical analysis a little bit, the coin does go to 7,900, but it doesn't fall any below there. So I think it's just, there's a lot of panic and there's a lot of news in the media. There's a lot of, good news about it. There's a lot of bad news. CP24 was saying, hey, you guys should watch out for cryptocurrencies. It's a news channel in Canada, so to where I'm from, and I just wanted to say, there is a lot of FUD coming out, but I don't think it's anything to worry. I think it's just healthy consolidation. Nothing. I know we're really we're emotionally attached to those really nice swings that happen, like right here, and then it just continues to happen. And we kind of get staled out when there's just nothing really happening. And yeah, I think here is just a game of patience, really. So guys, I wouldn't worry too much about what's going on. I know low 8K, it is a bit danger zone. It could fall below. I mean, nobody knows what's actually going to happen, but I do not think it's going to fall anywhere below 7,900 max. So going into the biggest losers and the gainers. So Made Safe coin looks like it got up. I believe this is a coin that McAfee promotes as well, if you follow his Twitter. And overall, nothing really spectacular. So nothing really big going on. I mean, if we go into the general market, the gainers and losers, well, we do see, so going into it here, yeah, so 2x right here if you were holding Deuterius credit. There's coins that are coming out of nowhere. I don't even know which coin that is. I will look into it definitely. Naga is a coin that I have heard about, and doing some great volume for the day, 45% up. That's great. And though it's hard to really be that holder for that coin, so Biggest loser of the day is Arbitra coin, and it's down 50%. And so I wanted to go a bit more into the technical analysis now of Bitcoin. So going in, so it looks like it's at, so guys, just before I go in, I do use multiplecharts.com. So that's a website that basically, the main website here, it allows you to just, use different charts in one go. And I just think it's convenient for me. I mean, it is exported through Bitfinex. However, there is latency through different exchanges. So if you say you wanted to do Bitcoin and you wanted to not look at Bitfinex, but instead you want to look at Coinbase's, well, they have Binance, they got Coinbase. Here, let's look at over here. It's not. Yeah, so it doesn't look like it's showing the entire thing, but you can see, right, like Coinbase, Bitfinex, Binance, Bitstamp. So it's just good to, compare with different, just so, because I mean, for example, it's showing 8071 here, but on CMC, it's showing 8100, as you guys saw. Yeah, 8117. So it's just good to, have those different sources, just so screwed over by that. So anyways, back to what I was talking about. So it looks like it just, it did hype a lot of people up, and it was climbing up greatly, but it looks like it just totally caught everyone off guard and just continued going down. Although we can see that there is this short-term bottom here of 79.56. Yep, 79.57. So if anything, guys, as I did say, I think it's probably may test the bottom, if anything, but it wouldn't be anything below this. I really don't think so. And although it could just very well just stop right here, and this is an hourly. So let's just look at how the daily is forming right now. It's pretty red, so it's a pretty bearish candle. So it looks like if it just stays like this, and if it closes at 8K, then that actually is a really bearish sign. So it could very well go below. So that we can't just rule it out. But I don't think that's gonna happen. And if you look at the daily charts, it could fall, max 7,900, I'd say. So I think, if I really had to go over what could happen for tomorrow's candle, if it does to go before it closes, and if it closes like this, then there could be a reversal candle right here tomorrow, and which will, skyrocket it up the next day. So that's something that could happen, but we will see. Although, it does look like it's found consolidation over here. So don't get too, try not to look at the markets too much, I'd say. Maybe once, 1 to 3 times a day is probably a good way to, keep yourself from not getting overactive in the markets. And I think overactivity is really the enemy of profits. So, so yeah, guys, that's what I think is gonna happen, and that's what I have for today. And comment, like, and subscribe, and let me know what you guys think. Okay, cheers.